Assalamualaikum. Today I'm back with brand new video from Scholarships Corner, and today I will let you know. Today I will guide you how to apply for United Nations Youth Champions 2020. Okay, it's like a study tour, and it's for 2 weeks to four different locations. Okay, and this whole thing will take place in June 2020. First of all, let's move on to eligibility criteria to see who can apply for it. Okay, the young person around 18 to 24, like no less than 18 and no older than 24. Okay, uh, people from these age can apply for this scholarship. Okay, now the thing is, those who are studying international relationship can apply for this scholarship, or if you have some related fields just like history, science, economics, language, film, media, dance, song, theater, visual arts, creative writing, or any relevant field, then you can definitely submit your application. Okay, if you have any interest about international relationships, international affairs, or public policy or foreign affairs, then you are definitely encouraged to apply for this scholarship. Okay, now thing is, for this scholarship your English should be well, and your English should be clear enough that next person can understand you very clearly. Okay, you don't need a IELTS, you don't need a TOEFL test for this program. Now, required documents. You guys will need three letters of recommendation. Now, recommendation letters can be from your teacher, from your professors, and anyone who know you and have some academic position. They can write those letters for you. Okay, and the most recent your mark sheets. Okay, and what else you need? Okay, now how to apply for this scholarship? We only have two. If we want more details, we can just click on this official link and see where we can apply it. And if we only want to apply directly, we will just click on apply now. Okay, the deadline of this application is 18 of March. And okay, financial support fully funded, all cost will be covered by United Nations. Okay, now the thing is, the whole thing is sponsored. Your flight tickets, your meals, your expenses, your traveling expenses, all things will be covered by this scholarship. Okay, so this is the best thing, and you guys should definitely apply for it. Now I'm just going for apply now because I want to apply directly. Okay, so here it is. Okay, first of all, we have to write down about our personal data. Okay, and all the things. And if you have any second nationality, you can mention here. But I don't have, so I'm just going to do that. Oh my goodness. So, well, I have to fill it up, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Now in the second mode, you have to write down about your education, name and place of the institution, allow like which university you are studying in, and where it is located. Okay, the title of degree, whether you are doing diploma, whether you are doing masters, PhD, MPhil, or bachelor. Okay, the type of degree, like which kind of degree it is, field of study, and year received. Okay, so let's just move on. Okay, employment. Now, if you're working at somewhere, you can write down about the details of it, like what you do, what's your position, and your starting date and end date, and your responsibilities, like what you have to do there. Okay, now personal statement. Personal statement is something that is very important, and this is the main thing which you will get selected from the jury and judges. This is something that needs to be very clear and authentic. You don't need to have lie about it. You don't need to write cliches, and just make sure you are clear enough and you are well motivated that why you want to apply for it. Okay, now the thing is, there are some very issues that needs to be addressed in our today's society. So you have to write down about it. You can just read it and we'll get to know about it more. Okay, now you have to upload your letters here and your mark sheets here. Okay, where did you hear this program? And then you have to click all these and you have to submit your application. Thank you for